Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video, we will learn about the door cylinder lock, how you can open this kind of door lock if there is any issue or you cannot open, or if you want to change, or even you want to fix the new lock, how you can simply open or fix this lock. So I will show you the simple and easiest step, not difficult for you. Without technician, you can fix your lock or you can open your lock. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. See, this lock is already rusty. Even you can see the lock is already old because this house is not open for many years. That's why it's become rusty. So now the second step is we need to open this one. If this one is rusty and then you cannot open, you have to take one screwdriver, flip or any screwdriver, and then just slowly just try to hit to open this one. Now you try to open that one first, loose first, and then after that you take one test pen or screwdriver or small test pen. You can see this hole. If my camera can show you, you see this pin here, then push with the any test pen or anything. Now I push inside ready, so I have to just move left and right, so it's already opened. So this one is already out from this lock. So the second step is already done. Now we open this one. After opening the screw, we just take out this clip. Now you can see here the screw is already opened. Now last part is you have to pull out this lock. So actually this one is the lock. If I take out this one, we keep this one down and then we try to take out this one also. So this one we already take out. Actually this lock is working like that. If my camera can show you, you see this pin is going here. So if I show you how it work, you see like this it work. If we push inside, we cannot open from outside, and then if we move this one, so it will work perfectly. So this knob is stuck with that outside lock. So first thing is you have to open the inside one, and then this one you pull out, and then after that you can take out that one. Now I show you how you can fix this lock. If you buy the new lock, how you can fix. So for example, imagine this is a new lock, how you can fix. So we just open that one first, the inside one, and then we take out that one. Now this one is the outside area. We have to fix first these two things in the door. Now when you are fixing the new door lock, you have to first thing insert this part. So we insert that part first before we fixing other things. So we insert correctly. For example, we insert that one. Then after that, you see this part must be inserted inside that one. So from the outside, you have to proper way push inside. So if my camera can show you, this lock should be inside. You see, this one must be inside. Now you can see this one is inside already. So from the outside, and then this second part is done. So we fix the from the inside. Now here is the three things we need to fix. So first part is we fix this one. Now you try to fix this one. After that, you see this is the pin always there, we push inside. So you have to push like that, then make sure this one come out, and then just push inside and then turn left right. So it will the clip will stuck here. You see this clip is already set there, so it's already fixed our lock. So we fix the screw here. Now our lock is ready. You see, I just show you the demo how you can open and then how you can take out and then how you can fix the new lock. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new update. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.